Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to link a video in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. Then go to Insert and select a text box and to insert a text box. Now, type something. Let's type something, for example, like video, and select it. And now go to Insert. Select the whole word. Go to Insert and select Link. Here, go to your web browser now and copy the link to the video that you want to insert. Click on Share and then copy. Now go back to your presentation and paste the address and address. Then click on OK. Now you can go into the slideshow mode and click on it. And as you can see, the video opened up in your browser. Now, let's go back to PowerPoint. Let's close this window first. Also, you can insert you can link the video to any object you insert in your presentation, like a shape or a 3D model or anything. Let's insert a rectangle, and now go to Insert and click on Link, and here paste the link to the video and the address and click on OK. Now let's go into the slideshow mode. Click on Slideshow and click on From Beginning. And now, as you can see, you can click on the rectangle, click on it, and the video will open up in your browser. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!